Hello everyone, first we're gonna take these two circles, then we're gonna paste them together and then fold it out. After that we are going to make one of these and then we are going to add the detailings and your butterfly is ready. Next we're gonna take this yellow circle and onto that we are going to draw these lines and adding these blue semicircles as well, and now your snail is ready. Next we're going to take this green color rectangle paper, then we're going to start by folding it out first from the front and then we're going to flip it out and again folding it from the back. And now you can see your beautiful jumping frog is ready and looks so cute. Next we're going to take two circles, one in white and one in blue, then taking small circles as well and completing our bunny by adding some little details on the top. Next we're going to take these circles and then folding it out twice and pasting it with the tape, joining all of these together like this. Then we're going to make a stick and now you can see your beautiful umbrella is completed. Next we're going to take a square sheet. Now we're going to start by folding it out first from the front and then from the down side. After it's ready, we're going to make one more of this. Then we are going to move ahead towards the stem and now adding some cute expressions on it and your vegetables are ready. Next we are going to take the square sheet and then we're going to start by folding it from all the four sides like this into a small square and again repeating the same step like this. After that we are going to open it and adding some more markings on it so that your flower could be ready, and now you can make it with any color as per your choice. Next we are going to take some cutouts and making the eyes first. Then we're going to paste the eyes with this paper. Now folding the paper and now you can see your beautiful snail is ready.